The cabin air filter in your 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan is crucial for maintaining clean air inside the vehicle. It's designed to trap dust, pollen, and other contaminants, improving air quality and preventing respiratory issues. The filter is located behind the passenger side glove box. Understanding its importance ensures you're motivated to maintain it properly. Ignoring filter changes can lead to reduced airflow, musty odors, and potentially damage the AC evaporator core, leading to costly repairs. Dodge recommends inspecting the filter every 15,000 miles or annually, so make it a part of your routine maintenance. First, open the glove box and detach any damper arms or stops. Squeeze the sides of the glove box to lower it completely, revealing the filter housing, a rectangular box with a cover. Unclip or unscrew the cover to access the old filter. Note the filter's orientation to ensure proper installation of the new one. Remove the old filter, insert the new one, and reassemble the housing and glove box. This process should take about 10 to 15 minutes and can save you money compared to professional service. Consider using aftermarket filters for improved allergen capture, and always wear gloves to avoid contaminating the new filter.